how to open or create Doordash account. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your Doordash account. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, make sure you have downloaded the Doordash application on your device. If you haven't, then you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, go into your Doordash app. As you open it, you will enter to this page. As you can see here, you can sign up into Doordash account by 4 different ways. You can continue with your email or phone number. You can also continue with your Google account, Facebook account, or with Apple ID account. I'm going to sign up using my email or phone number. So tap on continue with email or phone. Now you want to go ahead and enter your phone number and then tap on continue. Once you tap on continue, it will ask you to create your password. You have to create your password and then lastly tap on sign up. So by this you have created your dashboard account using your email or phone number. You can also continue with Google, Facebook or Apple. I'm going to tap on Google. Enter which account you want to choose. Now tap on continue. Now go ahead and enter your phone number and then lastly tap on sign up. You can follow the same steps for Facebook and Apple account as well. So that's how you can easily create Doordash account. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.